I love this eyeshadow palette. Huh? What? Where is this long ruler coming from? Hey, it's the teacher! She is well armed. But what did I do? No makeup is allowed in class. Signs are everywhere. And this is what you get for breaking the rules. Yikes! The teacher is turning Madison's A into an F. All done. A nice F. No! Please! Don't! La la la. Stop! Give me your makeup. No! Give it. What now? More makeup? I know you have more. Looks like Madison is a serious case when it comes to makeup. Come on! Madison has makeup hidden everywhere. Just look at how much she has. The box is almost full. And they're still not done? All of it. All right. Wow, that was smartly hidden. Well, looks like it's finally done. Okay, you can go. Oh, good morning, Mia.
Hello.
You can go. Ugh, step aside with your huge book. But looks like this just gave Madison a great idea. She's taking all of the confiscated makeup. What is she up to? Huh? Where is all the makeup? It was here a minute ago. Madison finally made it to the classroom. Does that mean she got rid of her makeup? Oh, look! She brought a huge book. Okay, let's read it.
What? Are you reading a book?
Wow! Look at Madison's makeup!
Huh? That's weird.
She hid makeup in her book. Hey, aren't you smart, Madison? Well done!
Ugh, what a show-off.
No makeup? All right, bring it on! You?
Me? Oh no!
The teacher is using some rather interesting methods to find hidden makeup. By poking.
Ah, it tickles! Stop!
Yikes! What do I do with all this makeup? Oh, I know. I'ma hide it under my clothes. Okay, you're done. Now go to class. Next! Hi! How will Madison do? Oh no! It fell out! Unbelievable! I said no makeup is allowed! Madison doesn't want to give up. But the teacher is just too good at it. Wherever Madison tries to hide the makeup, the teacher will find it. Maybe in my sock? No! No makeup! So strict! Come on! Ugh! It's my last makeup pencil! Well, let's hope for the best. Will Madison succeed? Come on, guys, let's go, let's go! 1 minute, let me check you. Let's see. I guess you're clean. Go on. She didn't even look at her face. Yay! Madison finally did it. Wait a minute. Stay tuned for more funny ways to sneak in makeup. I hope no one sees me. Huh? Who's there? Looks like it's the teacher. Nice try. But no makeup is allowed. Oh, please. But the teacher is not willing to make any compromises. What are you doing? Please don't. She is about to take off Madison's makeup. Ah! Oh, poor Madison. Yikes. Is this how Madison looks without makeup? Even the teacher is scared. Oh, shoot. Maybe I overdid it. I know. Let's fix you up just a bit. Here, much better. This is not fair! It sure was an embarrassment for her. Did I do something wrong? Madison is ruining the teacher's picture. But not everything is lost. I'll show her. She has an idea now. I'll be right back. For this, just take a makeup pencil and cover it with crayon paper. Now it looks like a crayon, so no one could tell. Time for round 2, Madison. Stop! Do you have any makeup with you? Of course I don't. You took it away. You can go. That was easy. Oh, someone's calling. Hello? Huh? Oh dear, who could do such a thing? Yes, I'm listening. It's the perfect opportunity for Madison to fix her makeup while the teacher is gone. She looks so pretty. Shh! There's no makeup in here. And the teacher is back. Will she find Madison's makeup? What? Look at your face! Give me your makeup now! Huh? But I don't have any. It's just a crayon. Looks like a success. Oh look! Mom is bringing Joshua to school. Be good, my little baby. Let me kiss you. Mom, no. if someone sees? Almost forgot. Here are your pencils. Wow, she gave him chocolate too. Thanks, Mom. You the best. Isn't he adorable? My baby. Oh no. What do you have here? Chocolate? No snacks allowed in class. What? No snacks? Why? Mom! Come to me. Don't cry. Oh, I have an idea. What did she come up with? Look, she cuts the pencils. Now the pencils are so short. And now she glues all the short pencils together. It looks great, but what will happen next? Oh my! Look at this! She takes a bar of chocolate and puts it in a pencil case. So smart! It's a perfect deception. It looks like a pack of pencils. Joshua is very sad that he cannot bring in chocolate. Look, Joshua! I brought you this! Joshua, take it! Take it! It looks like pencils, but it's actually an imitation. Oh my! You are so silly! Take a look inside! Here you go! Yeah! It's chocolate! Okay, Joshua, now you can go to class. Stop, stop, stop! Do you have food again? Pencils? Interesting. Okay, you can go. Well done, Joshua. Your mom is a genius. Amelia is painting her nails. It looks great. Oh no! The class has started. Hurry, you don't want to be late. But my nails haven't dried. Amelia has to be careful not to ruin them. She's being cautious. Oh no! They still got damaged! What will she do now? Oh my! My nails! This is terrible! I guess I'll take nail polish and fix them in the classroom. Oh well, so annoying. Stop! Do you have any makeup? No makeup is allowed in class. Yikes! I mean, I don't have any. Okay, let me check you. Oh, this isn't good, Amelia! You have nail polish! The scanner is beeping! You have a problem! It's really not good. She will definitely find it. Aha! I knew it! Oh, it's not this. This is corrector liquid. It's nail polish! I told you, no makeup. Please, don't take it away from me. Go and put it away. Then come back. Oh no, that didn't work. What will Amelia do now? Wait, corrector, liquid, and nail polish? I can change them. The teacher is waiting for a new victim. Amelia comes in happy. Well, well, what do we have here? Let me check you again. The scanner is beeping again. Will it work this time? What is it? What? Corrector liquid. That's all? No way! Well, the teacher found nothing. Okay, Amelia, you can go. It's just a corrector. Nothing wrong. Well done! You did it! Finally! Look, look! You think it's corrector liquid? No! It's nail polish! Now I will be able to fix my nails. That's so cool! Well done, Amelia! What a great idea! Evelyn is impressed! She wants to have red nails, too! Girls, your nails look beautiful! Hello, no food in the classroom. Do you have anything? No. And what's that? Chloe, you better hide your snacks! Aha! 1, 2, 3. Here you go. Look, here comes the school fashionista, Mia. Wow, Mia, you look great. Seems like she doesn't have any candy.
No.
Wait, are those gummies? Mia tricked the teacher, but not Chloe. Looks like she came up with an idea. No food. Nope, none. Turn around. Is that a donut? Oh, what a nice necklace. Food. Food! Go change. Girl, your disguise was too obvious, and the teacher looks very determined. I am so hungry. Just one bite. Monica has to hide candy not only from the teacher, but also from her classmates. Ugh, none left. Again. Those colors look so yummy. Take out all the paint. Then shape those delicious fruity chews into circles. And place them inside the watercolor case. Sorry, no candy today, only paint. She managed to trick her friends. Finally, some snacks for yourself. So yummy. That's forbidden. You, give me that. No snacks in class. I'll just drop this. Whoops, and eat under the table. You dropped these. Sorry, no food. Last pack of cheese sticks. What will they do? Wow, the boys seem very excited about their plan. Make the cheese sticks smaller. Check. Distract teacher. Check. Go, 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 go. Use your ninja skills. Check. Switch chalk with cheese sticks. Check. You did it, boys! Teacher? Can I write the answer on the blackboard? Well, that's new. Go on. Finally, Anthony can eat his favorite snacks during class.